Okay, in this part of the video we're going to show you the plumbing of the Duoetto and installing the pressure relief valve. So we've got our pressure relief valve, and when we install the pressure relief valve we use two things. We use thread tape and we use thread glue, and I'll just explain why. Thread tape is the start of the seal, and you need to put some around your around there, and then you need thread seal. Now why we use thread seal is because it's not a compression fitting, it's a thread that seals on the thread side of the heater. So we use a little bit of that and fit that on there. And also with that thread glue, you can put that thing anywhere, and once it dries you won't have any leaks, and that's a major issue with installing it when you can't use compression. Now we'll also do the same thing with our hot water side. We use some thread tape. And we use our thread glue. And now that's, once again, you don't need to use spanners, you just do that. And when the glue goes off, it's set. And with these quick release fittings that are on our web page, if you need to have an elbow, you can just put one of these fittings in, then just pop that in. And the beauty of it is it can go in any direction. And you can do the same thing with the pressure relief valve now. You can fit one of those there. I use some thread tape. Thread tape, and once again thread glue. Put our thread glue around it. Now that's that side installed, and with these fittings there's no spanners to use. You can you just insert this in the heater, and the water side of it is done. There's a couple of other things I just need to go back to. Is these two inserts. There's one on the cold water side and one on the hot water side. Some people ask us, do you take them out? The answer is no. This is a water diffuser. It stops the cold water going to the top of the heater, and this is a straw that draws the water from the right part of the heater. So don't take them out. They're to stay in there. And that's just about that part of the plumbing side of it. When you've got it to this stage, what you do now is you can fill it with cold water. We can just use, once again, I can just go back and use a hose fitting. So connect up your cold water, fill it up. When you've got water coming out of there, you know you're then good to invert the heater and connect it up to your plumbing lines that you've got. And that basically should cover the plumbing. There's one other thing we've also got to do is install the drain tube for the pressure relief valve. When the water gets hot, it goes on here, and then drains out. When it's the right way around, then the water will drain out. When you're installing this, don't go higher than the heater. It's got to actually go lower, because if you go higher, it'll leak out the wrong part of the water pressure relief valve. And that's about it for the plumbing side of it.